Welcome to this relaxing and calming meditation session. In this session, we're going to experience what it's like to feel energy. So, whether you're listening to this on a bus, or lying in a park, or relaxing on your couch, or in the comfort of your own bed, or in your home, wherever you are, wherever you're in a safe place, I'd like you to close your eyes and just listen to my voice for now. I wonder if you can imagine some steps somewhere. Some steps going down, and you can go down those steps in your mind's eye, safe and secure, warm and comfortable. With each step, you get more relaxed, even more comfortable, and going down those steps now, 10 and 9, everything's slowing down. 8, letting it all go. And 7, more and more relaxed now. And 6, nothing to do, nothing to think about. And 5, deeper and deeper. And 4, so relaxed. And 3, dreamy, drowsy, drifting. The mind going this way and that. And 2, almost there. And 1. And after 1, there's just 0. And maybe something in the center of that 0 reminds you a place you can go. A place where you can relax completely. Where you have everything you need. And feel yourself floating like a leaf in the wind. Safe and comfortable, and all you have to do is enjoy that deep, deep relaxation. If there's any stressors in your life that you're feeling or experiencing, identify that now. In your mind's eye, see that issue as if it were playing on a movie theater projector. Imagine you're in a theater and you're in the back of the theater, and on this theater wall you see this problem. You know that this problem exists and that you can deal with it once you're in a better place. But for right now, I want you to imagine that you have a remote in your hand, and on this remote there's a button, and on that button you can turn down the colors of this picture, you can turn down the size, and you can make this issue, this image of the stressor, smaller and smaller and smaller. And you can tune down the noise of the stressor to be quieter, quieter, quieter. And it becomes more and more quiet. It becomes so quiet you can't hear it anymore. And then suddenly, the image of whatever the stress is starts to fade to black and white, and it becomes more faint, fuzzy, until it's not even recognizable. You can't really see it anymore. With everything so quiet and still, the movie projector screen's turned off. Can you hear your own breath? Can you hear yourself breathing in and breathing out? Once you notice the rhythm of the breath, put your attention to your head and your forehead. If you feel there's any tension, tell yourself to release and relax those muscles. Feeling the tension drop away from the head, dropping from the brow, your jaw. Now feel any tension that's in your neck and shoulders, any tightness or strain. Feel that just dropping and releasing. Feel those shoulders drop slightly and feel your head feeling light and loose. And when you're ready, repeat the following aloud if it feels appropriate. I am a powerful channel for healing energy. I am open to receive the healing power of Reiki. I am aligned with the Reiki energy that is all around me. I am filled with unconditional love and compassion. My body and mind are being balanced and healed by Reiki. I am connected to the divine healing energy of Reiki. I am open to healing energy, and I am deeply relaxed. I am surrounded by unconditional love and acceptance. I am worthy of healing and abundance. I am releasing all negative energy and manifesting positive energy. I am filled with the positive energy and light. I am safe and protected as I receive Reiki. I release all blocks to my healing and well-being. I am connected to the divine source of healing energy. I am worthy of relaxation and calm. I think clearly. I am grateful. I will do the best that I can to become the best self-healer that I can be. Because self-healing is all that I can do right now. And I truly accept that in my heart. I will heal and continue to be healed. So, I'd like you to go back to your breathing, and I'd like you to pick up that remote once more to switch on that projector screen and see how very well you'll be able to handle that stressor in your life now, that problem. maybe it doesn't exist at all anymore. Maybe it's totally dissolved, gray, pixelated, and you can't see the problem anymore. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes and smile. 5, starting to feel more alert and awake. 4, coming to a state of awareness of your environment around you. 3, becoming more and more aware of the space around you. 2, your eyes may be slowly, gently opening. 1, with your eyes open, ever so slightly, so slowly, coming back to your environment and being awake and ready to continue on with this course and this training. I hope you enjoyed this meditation.